Hi guys, today I'll be reviewing on some of the Tatcha products that I've gotten from their online website. As you can see, it came in a really nice box, and it was protected quite well with all the tissues at the side, and the boxes are really nice. Okay, quick run through. So I've gotten the classic rice enzyme blender, as you can see it's here, this one. And then I got the dewy skin mist as well. This is the one. Okay, it's not focusing so well. And I have the ageless revitalizing eye cream, which I have not yet used. This one is complimentary. And the last product that I bought is the Camellia Nourishing Lip Balm, and this is the one. Okay, and it came with a few samples. I picked up the Deep Brightening Serum. I've also got the cleansing oil, which I've already finished. Actually, they were supposed to give 3 samples, but it only came with 2. So anyway, I wrote back, and the customer service actually sent me another 5 packets of silk body butter. Such a waste, you know, like of the packaging and of the box. This is what's inside when it came. It was just like packets and sachets of the silk body butter, and then the tissue was on top, and then it came like that in a nice box. So yeah, anyway, for a very small mistake, they end up having to waste so much paper, I feel, packaging this up for me. Yeah, I feel so bad. Anyways, moving on to the product. I've been using the polished classic rice enzyme powder for some time now, and I feel that it's really good on my skin. I have dry to oily combination. I know it sounds kind of strange, but my skin is like this. It's actually really dry on the outside, but inside it's actually really oily, and I have quite a bit of like hormonal acne, and it pops out like during the time of the month. So yeah, I quite like this because after usage, I actually don't feel like my skin is tight. Yeah, so it feels like there's right amount of moisture in it, and I really like it. I can foresee myself buying this product again. Okay, the next one will be the Luminous Dewy Skin Mist. I don't feel like it has done anything wonderful or life-changing on my skin. It's just okay, normal. It smells a little herbalish. Yes, and yeah. The packaging is really luxurious. Glass bottle, you know. Okay, and then the last product that I've tried for the past 1 month is actually their Camellia Nourishing Balm, and I really like it so far. You know, it stays for a long time on my lips, and it doesn't feel dry or like it's like absorbing too much moisture from my lips. So this one really stays for a long time, and I really like it. And of course, I have the ageless revitalizing eye cream, which I have yet to try, but I guess I'll get down to trying it in my eye bag. Yeah, they need serious moisturizing. Yeah, so I'm excited. Waiting for another parcel to come, and that's the cleansing oil one. I've tried the sample sachets that they packed in my first order, and I really like it. What you do is that, okay, with all the makeup on, what I do is I pump a few droplets onto my wet hands, and then I just rub them together, and then I massage it all over my face. It melts the makeup instantly, and it's just so good because it removes every bit of makeup on the skin, and yeah, it's a great product. And so yeah, I purchased the full size one, and this is the reason why having 3 samples is so important, because when I get to try the product, I can be sure that it's good, and I'll definitely buy the full size one. But for my first order, it came with only 2 samples, and it was quite disappointing. But anyway, the customer service, I think his name is Michael, he came back to me, and you know, he quickly fixed whatever that they have missed out, and he gave me all this. And yeah, I'm so far quite happy with like whatever they have done to correct the mistakes. So guys, yes, I'm really enjoying my Tatcha order, and I think you should give it a try as well. Bye!